Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this XtremeSkin install for my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is something that you want to enjoy, have fun with, be patient with. So find a time during the day that there's not a lot going on, get everything ready, and then go for it. But again, have fun. Now, as far as the items that you want when doing a skin install, I use a little rubbery pad here to help keep any smartphone that I apply skin to in place. These little rubbery pads actually come with a lot of different various screen protectors that you can purchase over at Amazon. So I save those little pads for doing skin installs. Got a microcloth alcohol prep wipe that came with the package. You do want to use a blow dryer that helps the skin stick, adhere to the back of any smartphone that you're applying the skin to. In this video, obviously it's the S23 Ultra, but what you want to do is move the blow dryer around constantly, moving that heat around. You don't want the heat to sit in one area. It can damage your skin, but way more importantly than that, it can damage your phone. So yeah, you want to just do it like this, maybe back and forth, maybe in circular motion, whatever, man, but you just want to move that heat around. So that's everything you're going to need, plus a skin. Now, I got 3 here that XtremeSkins was so kind to send me. The first one here is the waveform. You can see that pattern back there, matte texture. It's just a beautiful all-around skin. It's one of my favorite from XtremeSkins. You got a leather skin. Obviously, it's not real leather, but it feels like real leather. Very nice texture, bold-looking skin. Yeah, that is just bold. And here we have the matte orange, which is the one that I'm going to use. Now, before I begin, let me share some information here. XtremeSkins Precision Style and Protection. Yeah, the skin, it's going to look great on my S23 Ultra, but it's definitely going to protect that glass back. Thank you for your order. You are awesome. I did not order these skins. Again, they were sent to me as a gift for review for all of you. How to apply, you got a QR code there, or you could go straight to XtremeSkins YouTube page. Apply your skin and tag us in our various socials. You got Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. If you have any issues, just email XtremeSkins and they will take care of you. Okay, and with that, what we're going to do, got my little rubbery pad there, put down my S23 Ultra right here, center of the video, and I will do a close-up on the process, but we're going to play some music, speed up the video, and then in the end we'll get a really good look at what the orange skin looks like on my S23 Ultra, and then we'll put on a clear case. I have a UAG Plyo case here, which helps with the adhering sticking process as well. It presses up against the skin and just helps out a lot, man. What else? Before I forget anything, down in the description area, the link for the XtremeSkins website to purchase these skins or a lot of others you can choose from as far as colors, textures. Trust me, you have a lot to choose from. As far as the price point, you're looking at, as far as US dollars, I would say for the skin, right around 12 bucks, and then they got your shipping and handling. It is coming out of the UK, so give the delivery process up to 2 weeks. It could be a week, could be a week and a half, but I'm just going to say give it up to 2 weeks. If you put in the order on a Monday, you're going to be sitting a lot better in that situation as far as getting it faster than ordering on a Friday right before a weekend. Okay, with that, let's do this. That looks great. It definitely gets the whistle. It's the creamsicle orange from XtremeSkins. And now we're going to put on the clear Plyo case from UAG, which is going to look really nice. And the back of the case is going to press on the skin to help it adhere, to help it stick to the back of my S23 Ultra. Look at that. That's just beautiful. That's just bold. Yeah, really nice. Really nice. It's a great case. Great case. You can go check out the video on this case as far as the review. I'm not going to go through the specifics. I just want you to see what it looks like with the creamsicle orange back there. And again, you can share your thoughts on it. All the information down below in the description area as far as the purchase part of it. And just check out all the other skins that XtremeSkins got going on. Yeah, that is nice. That is nice. I'm digging it. I am digging it. All right, thanks for watching. Any questions, leave that in the comment section. Till my next video, this is my Project 13. God bless you all. Stay safe and healthy. Huge shout out, XtremeSkins. Peace. I'm out.